Hello, welcome to my channel. We know it's that time of the year where people already started fasting or is going to go into a fast, and I wish them everything of the best for the fast. Today we have a very interesting recipe which is methi roti or called thepla. We got some methi and we asked the family members and friends for a recipe. So we are going to try out the recipe that we caught from one of the family friends. For my ingredients, I have 1 cup of methi, of which I rinsed out several times, and I'm going to chop it finely. 2 cups of cake flour, 2 tablespoons, which is quarter of a cup oil, 1 teaspoon jeera, half a teaspoon hurdee, 1 teaspoon chopped green chillies, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, and a tablespoon of ginger. Then for rolling out, I have spare flour, and then for the dough, I have a cup of warm water. To my flour, I'm going to add up all my dry ingredients, which is the jeera, the hurdee, and the salt. I give this a quick mix. Then I add in my methi, which I roughly chopped. The chilies, but you can add chilies per your taste if you like it a little hot. And then the ginger. And then the oil. And then gradually I'll add in my water and give this a quick, I'll make a quick dough. I will just give this a quick knead. Just sprinkling in a little bit of flour. This roti is made out of small ball, and we had to roll it up quite thin. So there's the dough, it's done. And I'll start to form my little ball. This is the size of the ball that I'll be using to make little small rotis. Now I'm ready to roll out my roti. I sprinkled flour to the surface of the counter to place them when I'm rolling. These rotis has to be rolled out very thin, and you can have them small. Like this. So now I'm going to roll out a few and then circle. In the meantime, while I'm rolling out the rotis, I've got my tawa on moderate heat, and I have a little bit of margarine to some oil, of which I'm heating up to circle the roti. Now that I rolled out a few, I'm going to start to circle my roti. And in this pot, I have my margarine and oil cooked out. Now I'm ready to take this one out of the tawa. It's looking cooked. Now we are done with our circling of the roti, and it's time to serve. All in all, from the dough, I've got a dozen of theplas, and for the first attempt, it's looking very good. And we are serving it with some lovely fried potatoes. Please let us know in the comment how was our first attempt. But as we make this roti in future, we will adjust. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.